Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing another taste test. We're doing this, and I've never had these, and we're doing this, Sour Patch Kids Oreos. Which one? I don't care, this one. Alright, I love Nutella, so it should be good. Great packaging so far. Alright, and then we open it. Alright, and then you take it out. Oh, it broke. Well, first impressions. There's an N right there for I'm just kidding, for Nutella. And they look like bread. They look like a baguette. We're gonna break one off. Alright. Okay. Very crunchy, very Nutella-y, or whatever. There's a lot of Nutella in this. So, I'll give it out of 10, I'll give it this is hard. I'll give it a 7. It's very chocolatey. An 8.5, yeah. They're pretty good. Alright. Next up, we got this. Oh, and I don't know if you can see, but he has spray paint. And then there's like spray paint on him, and that's how they made the cookie. And they changed that. No, that's always been like that. I'm pretty stupid. Alright, we're gonna open it. Ooh, it smells like Sour Patch Kids. It just smells like straight Sour Patch Kids. Oh my gosh. It just smells like if you open this Sour Patch Kids packet thing and just like sniffed it. Ooh, it's like creamy Sour Patch Kids. That's what it smells like. Ooh, alright, there it is. It looks good. Smells delicious. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Ooh. That's disgusting. Do not recommend. Like I said, very disgusting. Do not recommend. I'll still finish it. I don't waste. I'm not gonna try to dip it in milk. Oh, that's sour. Got a little bit of sourness. It's not that sour though. It's not that sour. It's pretty good. Now, this might trigger some people, but I'm scared of it too. So, what we're gonna do, don't get mad at me. My Oreo! No! No! Alright. Alright, so we're gonna take this. I'm gonna have to grab a new Oreo because it fell on my dirty floor. And then, oh, don't get mad at me. Oh! I don't know why I thought that would be good. Alright. They're pretty good. I'll give them 5.5. All right, that's about it for the video. Peace out, bro.